Forehead blackheads removal deep pore cleaning transformation. When people think about blackheads, they usually look at the nose. But there's another area that often hides just as much congestion: the forehead, an area constantly exposed to oil, sweat, and daily buildup. Today we're tackling a complete forehead blackheads removal deep pore cleaning transformation and revealing what's been hiding beneath the surface. Why blackheads form on the forehead? The forehead belongs to the T-zone, one of the oiliest regions of the face. As oil mixes with dead skin and debris, pores become clogged. When the blockage is exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns dark. That's how blackheads form. Hidden congestion builds over time. Unlike larger breakouts, forehead blackheads often develop slowly. They create rough texture, uneven skin appearance, visible pore congestion. Step 1. Deep cleansing preparation. The treatment starts with a thorough cleanse to remove excess oil and surface impurities. Step 2. Steam pore softening. Warm steam helps loosen stubborn blackhead buildup trapped inside the pores. Step 3. Forehead blackheads extraction. Now the transformation begins. One by one, stubborn blackheads start releasing from the forehead pores. Years of visible congestion begin clearing away. Step 4. Deep pore cleaning transformation. As more blackheads are removed, the forehead starts looking cleaner and smoother. The texture becomes more refined with each extraction. Step 5. Visible texture improvement. After deep pore cleaning, the skin appears heavy checkmark smoother, heavy checkmark cleaner, heavy checkmark less congested, heavy checkmark more even in texture. Step 6. Recovery skin refresh. A calming treatment helps soothe the skin and complete the transformation. Final results: before, stubborn forehead blackheads, visible pore congestion, uneven texture; after, cleaner looking pores, smoother forehead skin, refreshed appearance. Final message: the nose isn't the only place where blackheads hide. Sometimes the biggest transformation comes from cleaning the areas most people overlook. If you enjoyed this forehead blackheads removal and deep pore cleaning transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more blackhead extractions, skincare transformations, and satisfying pore cleaning videos.